Hello everyone and welcome to Beaver's Hobby channel, and today I have another unboxing video. This time it's from Banggood, and thank you very much for sending me this Radiolink RC4GS for a review. And well, actually I have been using Radiolink since forever actually, from the first RC3GS, and it was really good radio, and now I have the updated version, so let's take a look. The box is a little bit crumpled because my post office has already done a drop test for me, so that's taken care of. If it's still working, it is going to be a very durable radio. So I've opened it up at the wrong side. It should be this one. Right, so this is the manual, and here's the radio. The throttle feels really nice, and the throttle stick is a little bit different than the older version as well. This is a little bit more ergonomic, so it should work really nicely. And the switch, and they have changed the switch position. It was somewhere around here, and now they put it right here and here, so they both are much easier to access, like this and this. And of course we buy Radiolink because it has a screen. The screen is not big, but it works. The bundled receiver is R6FG. The receiver is 6 channel with gyro integrated. The radio runs on 6 AA batteries, and if you take this battery tray off, you can run it off 2 or 3 cell LiPo as well. But I'll test it with the AA first. Well, the older version that I have, it used 4 AA batteries, but this one used 6, so it is a tiny bit heavier. But the weight is still nice, and the throttle feels nice. Alright, so seems to center really well. And channel 3 and channel 4 is in the other menu. So, and here's how to access the menu. You press exit and enter simultaneously, and then go down the menu. Gyro, and you're gonna see the dial. You can turn it up and down. And yeah, and this is channel 4. We can press this one, the switch number 1, and it'll react to channel 4. The model is on number 2, so I can save it from model 1 to model 10, so I have 10 model memories. And it is firmware upgradable as well, so if you open this port, you're gonna see the USB port that you can plug it into a PC and then upgrade the firmware. And there are some new improvements as well. first, you're going to see that now it has a lanyard slot that you can put a neck strap around here. And then we have the top hole. This one you can screw a tripod mount in, but they have the rubber cap on, so just take the rubber cap off and you are going to see the tripod mount. So you can put an LCD screen on it and then use it to drive an FPV. Here I have a servo, an ESC and a battery. So let's plug it in. Channel 1 goes to steering servo, channel 2 goes to the ESC. Turn the transmitter on. Nice. So set all the trims to 0 and then turn it on. It is working. So let's calibrate the throttle. Hold that and turn the car on. Center point, full throttle, full reverse. So now let's take a look if it works with all the receivers. And this is R4F that I have. That it is from about from the previous version of the RC4GS. So let's see if it works. Turn the transmitter on and then hold it until it blinks. Come on. Yeah. Now it is in buy mode. Turn the transmitter on. Does it work? No, it doesn't. So it doesn't work with all receivers like R4F or anything that you have from the RC3S and RC4S era. Next, let's take a look if it works with the mini receiver, the R4FGM. So hold the button, turn the transmitter, so hold the button, turn the transmitter on, Something isn't right. Now I know what the problem is. As it turned out, the label is wrong. The bottom one is channel 1. And then it is 1, 2, 3 and 4. Not 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, but 1, 2, 3, 4 from the bottom to the top. So let's turn it on again. And we're gonna have something that's working. Just like that. And this one also has internal gyro as well. So if I turn this on down, it's going to move. If I turn the channel 3 up, it's going to have full gyro, which is really nice. It works with big receiver, like the one that comes with a car, and it also works with a mini receiver as well. Well, it does not look that much smaller than the full size, but it is a little bit narrower and shorter. So that's an option if you wanna run this radio with smaller cars, like what I usually do anyway. So it is very useful, and it has gyro integrated as well, so it is going to help you do some drifting a little bit easier. And here's a little bit of how to use. If you see the red light on, it is gyro enabled. And if you want to turn off the gyro, like when you have an external gyro, you go to the receiver and then click this button 3 times, and the light will turn green, and this means the gyro is off. It is the same as the big one. It doesn't have it on as default, so if I click it 3 times, the light turns red, and now I have gyro enabled. And if I want to change the gyro direction, I click it twice, it turns on into the same way. So if I click it twice again, it is going to reverse the direction. Click it twice. A lot of people are gonna ask if the onboard gyro works with rear-wheel drive drift cars. So here's the XRX DPA with onboard gyro. Yes, it works. It is not as good as an external gyro, but you can still use it while setting up for a proper gyro. Next, I'm gonna do a latency test, and then we're gonna wrap this up in the review conclusion.
In conclusion, the RC4GS V2 is a great radio for a beginner. It is easy to use, and it has everything you'll ever need. The stick resolution is great, and the latency has been improved from the previous version. It has telemetry as well to show you the car battery level if you use the R7FG receiver. And above all, it has a mini receiver for microcars. At $65, it is a bargain for what it can do. However, if you are on a tight budget and you don't care for the neck strap hole, tripod screw mounting point, and the new button placement which can be mapped from 1 dials and 2 buttons to channel 3 and channel 4, you can save another $10 by getting the standard RC4GS. And that's it for this video. Please subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload a new video. You can follow me on Facebook or social media for quick updates, written reviews, news, and see what I'm doing between videos. Thanks for watching, and see you again next time.